Good afternoon, students. In magnetism and matter, in morning class, you learned expression for proving a solenoid equivalent of a bar magnet. So, in the last class, you learned how to prove bar magnet and solenoid both are equal to one another. So, now the concept is torque on a magnetic dipole or bar magnet. Here, bar magnet is equal to magnetic dipole placed in a uniform magnetic field. So, let us draw the uniform magnetic field. Here, uniform magnetic field is shown by means of a group of a set of arrow marks, a set of parallel arrow marks. These represents uniform or constant magnetic field in a region. So this is the uniform magnetic field. So now a dipole is placed in the uniform magnetic field. This is the dipole. Dipole means magnetic dipole means bar magnet. So you know that a bar magnet is a rectangular shaped body having two poles. One is north pole, south pole. Let us take this one as south pole, and this is north pole. South pole, north pole. So here magnetic dipole or a bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So these arrow marks represents uniform magnetic field, and here this is the bar magnet. It is placed at an angle theta. It is placed at an angle theta with the magnetic field. Here bar magnet is placed at an angle theta with respect to the direction of magnetic field. So you know that here there are two poles. Two poles are there for a magnetic dipole or a bar magnet. So north pole and south pole. Here magnetic dipole, it is having two pole strengths, two type of pole strengths. I mean, as the electric dipole is consisting of two equal and opposite charges, here also the two poles are having equal and opposite pole strength. You know that pole strength means ability of the dipole or bar magnet to attract different metals towards its surface. So it is the ability or power of the magnet or power of the dipole, magnetic dipole, to attract different metals towards it. So that is pole strength. Here the north pole is having pole strength Qm, south pole is having pole strength minus Qm. So here pole strength are different for the two poles. So here see the first pole will it gives a magnetic force equals to Fm equals to dqm. As you know that electric force on formula ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, F equals to QE ಅಂತ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. F equals to QE, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ F equals to QB ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, QB. F equals to QE ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, QB. F equals to QB, right? So here where B is magnetic field, Fm is magnetic force. For the south pole, now it experiences a force equals to Fm equals to minus QB. QB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, its direction is opposite. Its direction is opposite to the direction of Fm given by north pole. So here the two forces Now when magnetic dipole is placed in a uniform magnetic field, it experiences two type of magnetic forces which are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Here North pole experiences QB as its magnetic force and South pole experiences QB as the magnetic force but in opposite direction. So therefore these two forces cancel each other. The two magnetic forces cancel each other. Or in other way, what we can tell here, there are two equal and opposite forces acting on the magnetic dipole. They constitute what is known as a magnetic dipole. What is not magnetic dipole. What is known as a couple. So here the two forces, one force given by North pole and another force from South pole. These two are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So therefore these two equal and opposite forces constitute or give rise to a couple, a force, a quantity called couple. That couple rotates the dipole in this magnetic field. A couple it rotates the dipole in this magnetic field. Couple is nothing but torque. A couple ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು torque ಅಂತ. Yes, torque ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ? Torque means a turning effect produced by an applied force. A turning effect produced by a force. When I close the door, I am applying the torque. When I open the door, when I am pulling the door, when I push the door, so in these two cases, I am applying torque on the door. So here torque is given by the formula force into perpendicular distance. So first integrate now see let us consider a magnetic dipole. Consider a magnetic dipole placed in a uniform magnetic field. In a uniform magnetic field, here North pole experiences a magnetic force. Fm equals to QB. Fm equals to QB. Equation number 1. South pole experiences a force. South pole experiences, here S stands for South pole. South pole experiences a force. Fm equals to QB. See equation number 2. Here see two forces. The two forces. Which are the two forces? One is the force given by South pole and another one is the force given by North pole. The two forces are equal in the magnitude, and opposite in direction. Equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So these these two forces which are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, these two forces constitute couple. These two forces give rises to a couple. COUPLE, couple or torque. And this torque or couple rotates the dipole. It rotates the dipole in an angle theta, with an angle theta. So here see couple or torque equals to see how to find this one. Its formula is force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. So here see, let us draw a perpendicular distance here. So this is, let us take this one as S. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, A ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. This point is A. So force into perpendicular distance. Here force is, see, you can take equation number 1 or 2. Force means you can take QB. Fm equals to, force is Fm only. What about perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance is Ns. See here, this is the perpendicular distance. NA, not Ns. NA. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? NA ಇದು perpendicular distance. So torque couple ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, torque ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Torque equals to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? Fm. Force is Fm into perpendicular distance is NA. Perpendicular distance is NA. NA ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, NA. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ, NA ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Torque symbol for torque is to. So here value of magnetic force is QB into NA. QB into NA, equation number 3. QB into NA, equation number 3. So now see, this is a right angle triangle. So we shall consider Pythagoras theorem. So not Pythagoras theorem, just in a right angle triangle NAS. In the right angle triangle, NAS. In the right angle triangle NAS, what you can write here? You see, you need to get NA value. ಅಲ್ಲಿ NA ಇದೆ, NA ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. NA ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, sin theta ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And one more thing, this is a magnetic dipole. The magnetic dipole and its length is 2L. You know the length of bar magnet or magnetic dipole, it is equals to 2L. Length of bar magnet or magnetic dipole is 2L. So in a right angle triangle NAS, sin theta, we shall take sin theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, sin theta equals to opposite side. NA is the opposite side. Hypotenuse is NS. NA opposite side, NS is hypotenuse. NA by NS. Sin theta equals to NA by NS. Right? NA by NS. So you bring NS here. Sin theta into NS equals to NA. Sin theta into NS equals to NA. Right? So now equation 3 becomes NA value ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Equation 3 becomes substitute the value of NA in equation 3. Say substituting NA equals to NS into sin theta in equation number 3. Torque equals to QB into NA. NA is sin theta into NS. Yes, NS diagram ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ one time ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು. NS is 2L. Tau equals to QB into sin theta. Here NS is length of the magnetic dipole. It is 2L. NS value is 2L. Hypotenuse NS hypotenuse. That value is 2L. So equals to, here see how I can write here. See Q into 2L. Q 2L, Q into 2L, B sin theta. B sin theta. So we know Q into 2L is, yes, Q into 2L is M. What is M here? Magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment. M is magnetic dipole moment. M equals to Q into 2L. So therefore tau equals to M B sin theta. M B sin theta. This is the formula for magnet expression for torque on a magnetic dipole or bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. So what you got here, last formula, tau equals to mb sin theta. In vector form tau equals to, you can write m cross b. Tau equals to m cross b. Tau equals to m cross b, where m is magnetic dipole moment, b is magnetic field, tau is the torque. First consider a magnetic dipole or a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. And see the diagram, you should draw the diagram. You should show the length of the magnetic dipole. ಅದು ns 2l ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು a ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there are two forces acting on the magnetic dipole in uniform magnetic dipole due to the two poles. One is north pole and another one is south pole. The magnetic forces on the dipole from the north pole and the south pole, they are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. ಅವೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗದ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಹಿಂಗದ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗದ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿರಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ರೈಟ್. So the two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore they are giving rise to a couple or a torque. Torque ಅಥವಾ couple ಅಂದ್ರೆ rotate ಮಾಡೋದು, dipole ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸೋದು, magnetic dipole ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸೋದು. ಸಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್, ಇದೇನು ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಎಸ್, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್, ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದರೆ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆವರಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತಿರುಗಬೇಕದು, ಮೆಷಿನಿಗೆ ತಿರುಗಬೇಕದು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ rotates in the magnetic field with the help of torque. So torque ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. torque ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, force into perpendicular distance. It's common formula for torque is force into perpendicular distance. Force is Fm, any one force you can take, QB into NA. Perpendicular distance is NA, opposite side. So to find the value of NA, you go for taking one right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, you define sin theta. Sin theta equals to NA by NS. NA by NS. Sin theta into NS equals to NA. So equation 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು NA value ನ ಹಾಕಿ. So torque tau equals to QB into NA means sin theta into NS, right? QB into sin theta into 2L. Q into 2L into B sin theta. Q into 2L is M, magnetic dipole moment. Tau equals to mb sin theta. So in vector form, A cross B equals to AB sin theta. So in mb sin theta, M cross B anta ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. This is about how to find the torque acting on a magnetic dipole or bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. In electrostatics, the same derivation is there. There we learn tau equals to PE sin theta. P is electric dipole moment. E is electric field sin theta. Tau equals to P cross E. Tau equals to P cross E. And SI unit of torque is Newton second. So here see you can find the SI unit by using this is magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು I is tau equals to m equals to qm into 2l 2m into 2l ಇದು ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ಟೆಸ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಇದು ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಟೆಸ್ಲಾ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ meter square. So in next class I will tell what is the SI unit. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ SI unit of torque is Newton meter Newton second ಅಲ್ಲ Newton meter is the SI unit of torque acting on a body. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ is the SI unit of torque. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್. ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೈಟ್.